Welcome to Sakalavidya Educational Channel. We have been discussing Tsrjc 2018 original examination question paper. So we have completed up to 65 problems. Now 66 problem onwards we shall continue in this session. Okay, once again I welcome to our Sakalavidya YouTube channel. So we have been discussing this Polycet questions, and also it will be useful for IIIT Basara and other PGT and TGT examinations also. So first let us move to the question number now 66. Question number 66, right? So wait for 1 minute. So let me read the question carefully. See here, question we have 6, 6, h, 0 and 0, k are collinear, then 1 by h plus 1 by k. Okay, how to solve this problem? Do you have any idea? You can share with me. So that means actually here, so if you go for the solution, so according to the problem, 6, 6, h, 0 and 0, k are collinear. So then what is the condition? The given points are to be collinear. Do you have any idea? Could you please share me? Right. So as they are collinear, so for example here, slope of these 2 points is same as slope of these 2 points. So that means we can write slope of these 2 points is, what is the slope formula? Slope formula is given by, so difference of y coordinates taken in order divided by difference of x coordinates taken in order, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So that we can say better, you can say A, this is B point, C point. Now slope of AB, write down. Slope of AB, line segment AB equal to slope of BC. Clear? If A, B, C are collinear, then slope of AB should be equal to slope of BC, even slope of CA also. Let us find slope of AB. Slope of AB means actually here 0 minus 6 divided by here x2 minus x1, h minus 6 equals to slope of BC, that is actually y2 minus y1, k minus 0, so divided by x2 minus x1, 0 minus h. Okay, let us make it simplify. Then what do we get? Here minus 6 divided by h minus 6 equals to k minus 0k upon minus h. So cross multiply. If you cross multiply, then what do we get? 6h is equal to minus 6 into minus h, that is minus into minus plus, so we get 6h equal to k times h minus 6, that is hk, minus we have 6k, right? So bring minus 6k this side, you will be getting 6h plus 6k equal to hk. So now we need to find out, our aim is 1 upon h plus 1 upon k. So divide both sides. Divide both sides by 6 times hk. Let us see what we get. That means each term is being divided by 6hk. 6h by 6hk plus 6k is being divided by 6hk equals to hk is divided by 6hk. So we need to cancel the common terms, so that we get actually, yes, see, h gets cancelled, 6h gets cancelled, we have 1 upon k plus here 6k cancel, this is 1 upon h equal to hk gets cancelled, we have 1 upon 6. So 1 by k plus 1 by h is equal to 1 by 6, or you can write even 1 by h plus 1 by k is also 1 by 6. So that means fourth option is the right option. So this is actually your SSC 10th class method. But we have one more beautiful shortcut. See the equation of the line. See the equation of the line passing B comma C is given by like this: x by h plus y by k equal to 1. Now it passes through 6 comma 6. Just substitute 6 by h plus 6 by k equal to 1. Divide by 6, so that we get 1 by h plus 1 by k is equal to 1 by 6. The answer is 1 by 6. So my dear students, I hope it's very clear to you. For example, you remember one thing. So directly also we can remember a comma a, h comma 0 and 0 comma k are collinear. Then 1 by h plus 1 by k is equal to 1 by a. That we can formulate it. How to formulate it actually? See now. So you can formulate like this. See, let us formulate like this. So let us formulate like this. See, so if a comma a, h comma 0 and 0 comma k are collinear, then you can remember the shortcut, super shortcut. 1 by h plus 1 by k is equal to 1 upon this value, 1 upon a. So this can be formulated like this. You can remember directly also. So as far as this question is concerned, directly we can write 1 by h plus 1 by k is equal to, here we have 6 comma 6, 1 upon 6. So answer is 1 upon 6. Without paper pen also we are able to solve this question. So let us move to 67th question. So 67th question. 67th question. Right. So now let us move to 67th question. So let me read the question. Is it visible to you? Yes or no? You need to chart. So 67, the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x cube minus x square. See how to find out zeros of a polynomial, any polynomial. See, for zeros, what shall we do? For zeros, the polynomial is equated to 0. P of x is equal to 0. So that means we can frame the corresponding polynomial equation. So that means here x cube minus x square is equal to 0. So this is a cubic equation, we shall get it. So we need to solve it. X cube minus x square is equal to 0 means we get x square common out. We have x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here we will be getting actually two cases. What are the cases? X square is equal to 0. And next we have x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x square is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0, but it's a double root. It's a repeated root. So 0 comma 0 you will be getting x is equal to 1. So why should we write like this? So you may get doubt. Because the order of this polynomial is order is equal to, or degree is equal to. So degree is equal to 3. So that means since degree is 3, so this polynomial has at most 3 zeros. So that means 3 zeros means as x square is equal to 0, you have x is equal to, generally you will be getting plus or minus 0, but 0 is neither 0 nor positive, so you will be getting 2 zeros. And x minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1. Therefore zeros are 0 comma 0 comma 1. So these are the zeros. So 0 comma 0 comma means first option is the right option. Right. Let us move to 68th question. 68th question. So let us move to 68th question now. Right. 68th question. First, all of you look at the screen. Look at the screen and read the question carefully and try to answer yourself. So put on the paper. Try to put on the paper. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, this is the given data. And areas of triangle ABC and triangle PQR are 36 centimeter square, 64 centimeter square respectively. That means area of triangle ABC is equal to 36 area of triangle PQR is equal to 64 centimeters square. And AB is equal to 6 centimeters. Then PQ we need to find out. So what is the relationship between the areas of the two similar triangles and their sides? That first we need to write it. So very good. So very good evening, very good evening. Right. So we have this condition. Since this triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, see, area means you can say this area is delta 1, no problem. Area of the first triangle, delta 2, area of the second triangle is equal to AB by PQ whole square, you can write it. And also BC is corresponds to QR, BC by QR whole square. So this is area's theorem. So next we can write AC by PR whole square. Even it may be equal to ratio of their median square, ratio of the altitude square, ratio of their perimeter square, ratio of perpendicular bisector square, ratio of actually angular bisector square also we can write it. But up to this standard is enough. So let us consider these two now. Where delta 1 is this is delta 1. This is delta 1. Area of the first triangle. So this is delta 2, area of the second triangle. So that means we can have like this now. So delta 1 by delta 2, that we can write 36 by 64 is equal to AB. AB means 6 given, that is 6 upon. So PQ is not known, PQ whole square. Am I correct now? So let us make it simplify. 36 divided by 64 equal to 6 upon PQ whole square. That we can write 36 by PQ square. So now cross multiplication takes place. 36 PQ square is equal to 36 into 64. So by cross multiplication, 36 gets cancelled. PQ square is equal to 64. Obviously PQ is equal to root of 64. You will be getting plus or minus 8. Being PQ is the length always should be considered in positive manner. So you will be getting 8 centimeters is our answer. So second option is the right option. Yes, Jannavi, welcome to our SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. I hope it is very clear to you. So you might have understood this question. I hope it is very clear to you now. Right. So next question. 69th question. 69th question. Let us move to 69th question. 69th question is very, very important, my dear students. This is very, very important. So generally we may not concentrate while studying our regular classes, but it's very important. The set builder form of A minus B. What is the set builder form of A minus B? First I will write set builder form of A union B, because this may be asked in the examination also. X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. This is the set builder form of A union B. Clear? For example, if you are asked to find out set builder form of A intersection B, that is, so tomorrow onwards, X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. X belongs to B. This is A intersection B. Then A minus B, set builder form of A minus B. It's very interesting. X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. So now similarly, what is B minus A? Are you able to write B minus A? What is the set builder form of B minus A? That is X such that X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A. So as far as this, actually these are the rules to be followed to write the set builder form of all the operations, union, intersection, and A minus B and B minus B. But we need this one. So we need this one. So A minus B, set builder form of A minus B. So which is the right option now? Anybody? X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. So x belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. So third option is the right option. I hope it's very clear to you. And one more very important also, sometimes you may be asked set builder form of A minus B union B minus A. So what is the set builder form of A minus B union B minus A? So my dear students, please note down in your notes. It's very, very important. Even it may be important for JEE mains examination also. So X is such that X belongs to A union B and X does not belongs to A intersection B. So my dear students, please remember this one, because this concept has not been given in our textbooks. So in our SCRT textbook or NCRT textbook, this may not be given. So you try to concentrate this one. Very, very important. This is very, very important. So note down all these important questions also. So let us move to 70. Question number 70. Question number 70. Right, question number 70. So just all of you go through the question, read the question carefully and try to solve it now. See what is the question. Let A comma B comma C be the interior angles of triangle ABC. Angle B is equal to 90. Then sine of A plus C we need to find out. So my dear students, ABC will form a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle. So right angle triangle. So right angle is at B. This is A. This is C, ABC. Since the B is 90, the angle A plus angle C is also sum must be equal to 90 degrees itself only. Because if A comma B comma C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, we have A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Already B is given that 90. So A plus 90 degrees plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So now our first step is to find out A plus C. So how could you find A plus C? Yes, A plus C is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. So then what do we get? Yes, you are correct, that is 90 degrees. But we do not want A plus C value. We need sine of A plus C. So now we need to evaluate sine of A plus C. So how to evaluate sine of A plus C? Instead of A plus C, this 90 degrees has to be substituted. So let us substitute sine 90. So what do you mean by sine 90? Sine 90 is equal to 1. So fourth option is the right option. Right? Okay. So next 71st question. Let us move to 71st question. 71st question. Very interesting question. 71st. Right? So first let me read the question. This problem is related to the statistic chapter. 71st question. The mean of 12 observations is 15. An observation 4 is deleted. Then mean of the remaining observations we need to find out. So how to find out? So first sum of observations find out. Sum of observations. Sum of observations. Sum of observations is equal to number of observations into mean. So n into mean is x bar. Here n stands for 12. N is 12. So 12 multiplied with, this is actually mean x bar. 12 into 15. 12 into 15 means that is 180. But what happened now? An observation 4 is deleted. One of the observation has been deleted. So now number of observations is equal to, say, that is 12 minus 1 observation has been deleted. Now number of observation becomes 11. So now the sum also, new sum you will be getting. New sum means this 4 has to be deleted from 180. That means 180 minus 4. So you will be getting 176. So now the new mean we need to find out. That means mean of the remaining observation. That is called new mean. new mean is equal to new sum, that is 176, divided by, now the number of observations is 11. So 176 is divided by, right, 11. So 11 1 ja 11, 66, 16. So 16 is the new mean. So having been deleted one of the observations 4, so the new mean becomes 16. So this is the way you need to do it. So otherwise you can do the other method also, direct method. That is actually direct method. You can adopt like this, simple direct method. First 12 into 5 write down and subtract 4, divide by 12 and one of the observations, 12 minus 1. 12 into 15 is 180, minus 4 is 176, divided by 11. So you will be getting answer is 16. This is without paper pen. This is super shortcut. So this is the trick you can apply. So let me say once again, multiply 12 into 15, subtract 4, divided by, and from 12 subtract 1, then 176 by 11, you will be getting 16. So don't worry, Janavi, tomorrow onwards we will be having EAMCET maths classes also. Live session I am going to conduct, but moreover besides the premieres also. Right, first of all watch all of you premiere. So next question is 72 question. So this is also very important problem for EAMCET, as well as this question is in EAMCET permutations and combinations, same problem in 10th class also. So my dear students, first read the question. The number of diagonals of a n-sided polygon is 35. The number of its sides we need to find out. So my dear students, first we find out the formula. Number of diagonals of a polygon which is having n sides, of n-sided polygon. N-sided polygon is given by the formula n times n minus 3 by 2. But according to the problem, actually number of diagonals is given that 35. So that means n times n minus 3 by 2 is equal to 35. How could you write this one now? By cross multiplication, n times n minus 3 is equal to 70 you will be getting. So my dear student, the 70 can be factorized as 10 times 7. So this n times n minus 3 is equal to, we can write this as, for our convenience, 10 times 10 minus 3. So this we can write 10 times 10 minus 7. So if you compare on both sides, you see n equal to 10. Here also n equal to 10. We need number of sides. So number of sides which is equal to n, that is 10. That means 10-sided polygon has 35 diagonals. So this is the answer. So second option is the right option. So 73rd question now. So let us move to 73rd question. 73rd question, right? 73. So first, all of you look at the screen. This is also very important question, right? It may be asked in properties of triangle also in EAMCET, in geometry also this question may be asked. See, the length of the median from A to BC in triangle ABC. So that means first of all, this is, let us draw a triangle, right? This is ABC triangle whose coordinates are A is minus 1 comma 1, B minus 1 comma 3, C is 5 comma 1. Now the length of the median drawn from A we need to find out. So that means draw the median from A to BC. Say D, this is the median. Now AD length we need to find out. D becomes midpoint of BC. So that means first of all, let us find out D, which is the midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. So my dear students, first of all, midpoint of BC find out. So what is the formula for midpoint? To find out midpoint, x1 plus x2, that is actually minus 1 plus 5 by 2. So next we have 3 plus 1 by 2. Obviously, what do you get? Yes, 5 minus 1, 4 upon 2. 3 plus 1, 4 divided by 2. You will be getting 2 comma 2. So that means the midpoint of the side BC is 2 comma 2. So the line joining the A to D, this is called one of the medians. The length of the median from A to BC means the length of the line joining A to the midpoint of BC, that is D. AD length we need to find out. So apply the distance formula. So AD is equal to, what is the distance formula? Root over x2 minus x1. So 2 minus of minus 2 plus 1 whole square. So plus 2 minus 1 whole square. So just simplify it. What do you get now? So root over 2 plus 1 is 3 square 9. This is 2 minus 1. 1 square is 1. So that will be root 10 units. This is the required length of the median drawn from A to the opposite side of triangle ABC, that is BC. I hope it's very clear to you. Very simple. First find midpoint of BC, then find distance from A to D, that is nothing but length of the median drawn from A to BC, that is nothing but AD. I hope it's very clear to you. So 73rd problem has been completed. Let us move to 74th problem. 74th problem. Okay, let's have a discussion on 74th problem. 74th problem, right. It's a very interesting question. This is very interesting question. See, just read the question carefully. If the HCF of 12 and 36 is expressed in the form of 5m minus 3, then the value of m. So how to find out this question? So first find HCF of GCD of 12 comma 36. Let us find out. So that means 36 divided by 12. So 12 3 36. Remainder is 0. Obviously the 12 becomes HCF. So HCF of 12 comma 36 is equal to 12. But this 12 is being written as 5m minus 3. So that means 5m minus 3 should be equal to 12. Clear? Right? So 5m equals to, transposing 3 that side, 12 plus 3, that is 15. Now can you find m value? Why not? M is equal to 15 by 5. So 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja. So the value of m is 3. So that means fourth option is the right option. I hope it's very clear to, because 12 divides 12 and 36. So SCF is 12. So next this SCF is expressed as 5m minus 3. So that means 5m minus 3 must be equal to SCF, that is 12. By solving this equation we get m value 3. So this is the way. So we need to solve it. 75th problem. 75th problem. Very logical question. See. So this is also one of the logical questions. So if they ask this kind of questions, just we need to concentrate it. Very simple questions. If you get the logic in easy manner, so we can solve the fraction of seconds. So that means first of all you need to read the question very carefully. That's all. So let alpha comma beta be the zeros of the polynomial. P of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 1. Then the value of log of alpha plus beta to the base 2. Log of alpha plus beta to the base 2 we need to find out. So that means, my dear students, first of all we need to find out sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta. So that means P of x equals to x square minus 4x minus 1 has two zeros. One is alpha, one is beta. So we know that sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So here see, a equals to 1, coefficient of x square, b equals to negative 4, that is the coefficient of x, c is equal to constant term minus 1. So first we need to find out alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to, what is the formula? Minus b by a. That means minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Am I correct now? So already b is minus 4. So minus of minus 4 upon a value is 1. So this will be 4. But our answer is not alpha plus beta. Our answer is this one. So try to concentrate. So my dear students, we need to find out log of alpha plus beta to the base 2. So let us substitute alpha plus beta for 4. So that means log 4 to the base 2. This is our stem of the question. So this is the important step that we need to find out. That's our answer. Log 4 means that we can write log 2 square to the base 2. Using power rule, we can write 2 times log 2 base 2. See, log 2 base 2 is 1. So 2 times 1. So answer is 2. So which is the right option? Yes, second option is the right option. So all of you go through the question carefully. So just go through the previous episode also. Watch the previous episode and this episode. If you have any doubt, you can chat with me. You can comment in the comment section also. I hope it's very clear to you. So actually this problem comes under connection type problem, right? 76th problem. 76th problem, right? 76th problem. So wait for a while, right? First let me read the question carefully. Which one of the following is an example for an empty set? So first option, let us go for first option. A is equal to, so this is set builder form. We need to write into roster form. X is a natural number between, so 2 to 5. Between 2 to 5, what are the natural numbers we have? 3, 4. So it is not empty set. It's not empty set. First option eliminated. Go to second option. X such that x belongs to n and lies between 1 to 4. So for example here, what are the elements? You will be getting 2, 3. So it is not empty set because it has 2 elements. So third option. So third option means x such that x is a whole number. X belongs to whole number and lies between minus 1 less than x, x less than 3. So that means 0, 1, 2. So this is not empty set. Let us go to fourth one. Let us write set builder form of this one. X is a natural number between 2 to 3. So no natural number. That means pi. So this is our answer. This is an empty set. This is an empty set. Because no natural number cannot be inserted between the two consecutive natural numbers. 5, 6. In 5, 6, 5 after 6 only. The successor of 5 is 6. So no natural number cannot be actually inserted between 5 and 6. So in such a manner, no natural number can be inserted in between 2 to 3. But there are many rational numbers between 2 and 3. That is, infinite rational numbers may be inserted. I hope it's very clear to you. 76th problem. Next, 77th question. Let us move to 77th question, right? 77. Question number 77. Right. So first let me read the question. The probability of getting at least one head when 3 coins are tossed once is very, very important question. This is also important for JEE means, even EAMCET examination also. I will give beautiful shortcut to you. Shortcut. See, if n coins are tossed, that is symmetrical coins only. N coins are tossed, then probability of getting at least one head, is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 power n, where here n stands for number of kinds. So according to this problem, what is n here? N is 3 kinds. Here n is equal to 3. N is equal to 3. So our required probability, let us say that is P of E. That P of E means, so you need to understand that probability of getting at least one head. So 1 minus 1 by 2 power n. N means the 2 cube. So that is 1 minus 1 by 8. So from 1 subtract 1 by 8. How could you subtract? Take LCM 8. So 8 1 ja 8, 8 minus 1. So answer is 7 upon 8. This is required answer. So first question, not only 3 kinds. There may be given 4 kinds, 5 kinds, 6 kinds, n number of kinds. So the probability of getting at least one is, this is the formula, my dear students. Please remember, this is the super shortcut trick. Please note down this trick. This trick will be useful for not only for 3 kinds, 4 kinds, 5 kinds, even n number of 100 number of kinds also you are able to solve this problem. 77. So we have completed 77. So let us move to 77th question. 77, right? 77. 70, question number 77. 1 minute. Right. This is some logical question. This is so missing, that I will write, don't worry. The sum of the deviations of the variate values 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 4 from the mean, from its mean. This first option is 0. See, you remember one shortcut note, the sum of the deviations of something x1, x2, x3, these are the observations, xn from its mean is always 0. You remember first option is the right option, but I will explain the method also, don't worry. So first, my dear students, first find out the mean. Say that is x bar. Mean means sum of the observations, 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 14 divided by number of observations, rather number of values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 4 plus 8 is 14 plus 8 is 22 plus 7 29, 29 plus 6 is 45, 45 plus 4, 45 plus 4 is 49, 49 plus 3 is 52, 52 by 6. Okay, so once again you check it now. This is 14 plus 8 22, 29, 35. Sorry, 1 minute, let me write. So 14 plus 8 22, 29, 35, 39, 42. 6 1 ja, 6 7 ja. So 7. So my dear students, what we need to find out now, first of all, deviations of the variate values from the mean we need to find out. Deviation means differences we need to find out. 3 minus 7, that is minus 4. So sum we need to find out, sum of the deviations. 3 minus 7 minus 4. Okay, clear? Plus 4 minus 7 minus 3 plus 6 minus 7 minus 1. 8 minus 7, 1. Clear? Next, 14 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. Next, 14 minus 7 is 7. See, my dear students, minus 4 minus 3, minus 7 plus 7 cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 0. So this is 0. That's why we can generalize like this. the sum of the deviations of the n observations from its mean is always 0. So answer is 0. So we can conclude like this, but I have explained with the method also. So, but moreover in the both the way, you will be getting 0 itself. Right. 79th question. 79th question. 79th question. Right. So first of all of you read the question carefully. The sum of the first 5 terms of an AP is 45. Then find its third term. So just think, I shall give the 2 minutes time to you. Are you able to solve this question? See, very logical question. The sum of the first 5 terms of AP. First, let us write the first 5 terms of AP. So let the terms be, 5 terms be, say A, first term A plus D second term, A plus 2D third term, A plus 3D fourth term, A plus 4D is the fifth term. Because there are 5 terms in arithmetic progression, their sum is given that 45. So let us add all these 5 terms. So on adding all these 5 terms, what do we get? So A plus A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, will be getting 5A. Now the D's are to be added. D plus 2D, 2D, D plus 2D, 3D, 3D plus 3D, 6D, plus 4D, 10D, equal to how much given? 45. So you can simplify it. How could you simplify? Take 5 common out. Then what do you get? A plus 2D is equal to 45. So that A plus 2D you are going to get. A plus 2D is equal to 45 divided by 5. See, very interesting question. 5 1 ja, 5 9 ja. Plus A plus 2D is nothing but third term. Therefore, third term is nothing but 9. This is the answer. So third option is the right option. Okay. So we shall continue tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.